Alright, so welcome back to my 1972 Datsun 510. Today I'm going to continue to work on the rocker panel. Just going to clean up some of these welds, grind them down, make them smooth, and then probably get out the welder and sort of fill in sort of the holes that I find along the way. It has been a solid almost 2 months since I've actually worked on the car, although I've been making videos every couple of weeks just sort of keep up with the previous footage that I've had. If you like to see, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate all the feedback. And here we go.
The piece of metal that I used to finish the inner rocker seal, I actually gave myself a little bit extra so I could fold it around the corner and tie it back into the inner body panel. This allowed me to then sort of reinforce this portion of the car. I then started using just normal paper that I had to create the templates of the parts that I needed in order to rebuild the inner wheel arch. After I traced out the part, I realized that I needed to add a little bit of extra around the sides, so that way I could bend the piece over to provide more structural rigidity to it. The metal snips that I use are actually very helpful. They allow you to go around corners very well, and I would suggest that anyone who's skeptical on them, look them up, and they're actually very useful. I then used a 2x4 to bend the piece into place and add in the flares that go outward.
Alright, so not a lot accomplished today, but I got a little bit of the welds grinded back along the rocker panel, as well as sort of formed this piece into place and made this new inner piece right here. Still haven't quite figured out what I want to do in this area along the outer rocker panel. I've got an idea, but I've got to do a little bit more thinking about it, and then I'll form the pieces and put them in. But I've got to get ready to go to work. So this is all I'm going to do for today. Alright, so back to the 510. I'm going to go ahead and put this piece in right here and then start working towards figuring out how to build another piece out right here in this section. Alright, so work continues today on the inner patch panel. So I've got all of these different spots here. I've got to go ahead and actually put this piece in and sort of get it all into place, weld it in, and then this inner area will be good to go. That will be finishing out the rocker panel. I just need to clean up some of these welds, take out this inner piece, and then finish one more spot inside the car, and I'll be ready to sort of seal it up and go from there. As you see, there's a nice gap right there that I've got to figure out. Probably another patch panel down across both of them. But yeah, work continues slowly but surely.